Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome to Pinch of Paper. Today I am going to make Chinese dish. It's called chicken Manchurian. You will be surprised how quick and easy. First off, we are going to make chicken. The ingredient you will need are boneless chicken, soy sauce, black pepper, blended ginger garlic, salt and cornstarch. Mix all ingredients into a bowl and marinate it for 10 to 20 minutes. 500 grams chicken boneless cubes and 1 cup cornstarch, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 eggs, mix well, then keep it in the fridge for 10 to 20. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. After 20 minutes, I have heated the oil and frying chicken on medium heat. Not too high flame, otherwise it will burn outside. The chicken is cooking nicely. Keep it on medium heat. It will take 10 minutes. Let it turn golden brown. The chicken has turned into a nice golden brown color. Don't put it on a tissue, put it on a newspaper so it stays crispy. If you put it on a tissue, it will become like soggy. Lovely. Yeah, exactly what I want. Now take that out. Next step, I am gonna make a gravy. I have 1 glass water, 1 cup tomato ketchup, 1 cup green pepper, 1 cup spring onion, 3 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon chili sauce, 2 tablespoon vinegar, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. When oil has heated, add the ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. It has turned a little golden, and add tomato ketchup and turn the heat slow. One cup tomato ketchup, let it cook for a few seconds. Now I am gonna to add black pepper, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper and 1 tablespoon chili powder. Let it cook on medium heat. Put in the salt at last. Toss the salt in the chicken. 2 tablespoon chili sauce, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, let it cook on slow heat. It's a really quick recipe. Now we are going to add water. Only add water how much you want your gravy to be. I have added 1 glass of water. If I need any more, I will add more. Now put it on high heat and let it cook. It's starting to boil. Mix the cornstarch with water, then put it into the gravy to make it thick. Let it cook for 1 minute. The gravy has become thick. I'm not adding any more cornstarch. Add the chicken. Now I am gonna add spring onion and green chili. Let it cook for maximum 2 minutes, not allowed, otherwise the green pepper and onion will overcook. Add half teaspoon salt. I wanted to keep it crunchy. Turn off the flame. The chicken Manchurian is ready now. Thanks for watching.